Hello guys, welcome to my channel once again. So in this section, we'll be looking at JavaScript. So first of all, I'm going to open the console with more options, then developer tools. So basically here we can run any JavaScript code we want. So elements, you see your HTML, while on the console you can run anything using JavaScript. So firstly, we'll be looking at variables. What are variables? Variables are used to temporarily store pieces of information used in a script. So to initialize a variable, you say variable, then you call the variable keyword, then give it a variable name, quantity. So you've initialized that variable. Now you want to pass a value to the variable. So to go to the next line, you use Shift Enter on the console. Then I'm saying quantity is equals to, meanwhile the equal to sign is the assignment operator. Don't worry, we'll be looking at operators later. So we're saying 3. So 3 is the value that the variable quantity is holding. So if I should say quantity 3. So now that's basically what variable does. It just stores values. So now we have various operators, JavaScript operators. We have the arithmetic operator, the assignment operator, the string operator, which is basically concatenation, comparison operator, the logical operator, the bitwise operator, and so on. So the JavaScript operator is just, when you say 10 plus 2 is 12. If you use the addition operator, you say 10 minus 3, 7. Meanwhile, you could say something like this: variable a is equals to 10. Now you're saying variable b is equals to 2. Now variable c is equals to a minus b. Oh, sorry. So meanwhile, when you are ending a variable or anything basically in JavaScript, you have to end with a semicolon. So now it says undefined because you didn't ask for C. So now let's see what C is, which is 8. So 10 minus 2 is 8. So basically, you would want to print something out on the console. So if we are using, let's say, an IDE, I want to show something on the console, we use something like console.log. C. You see, it still prints out what C is. Basically, console is an object and log is the function. So anytime you want to print something out from the console, you use console.log. In JavaScript, you would also want to pass, maybe you want a variable to hold a user input. So with that, we could use variable, let's say input is equals to prompt how's your day going. Ta-da! How's your day going? So you could say it's fine so far, then say okay. So now if you say console.log input, You say it's fine so far. So using the prompt function, it stores those inputs. Then we also have another one. If you want the browser to display an output, you say variable output is equals to alert. How are you? So it says an embedded page, blah blah. How are you? Say hello. Okay. So now we've looked at the arithmetic operator. You could basically try all this on your own. So now we move to the assignment operator. We've looked at the first one, which was the equal to sign. You're saying this is equal to this. So we could also have something like this, variable a. Remember we said variable a is equal to 10. So let me just bring out everything back. So we could say variable a plus equals to b. Okay, is the problem? Oh yes, we've already declared a as 10. I shouldn't say variable a again, so we'll take this out. Now 12. So basically this is the same as saying a is equals to a plus b. So now a, which is 10, b is 2. When you plus each other, it will be 12. Now that 12 is being stored in variable a. So that is how we use the arithmetic operator. Why the rest, you could try them yourself. Now we have the string operator, which is basically concatenation. So concatenation means when you add two things together like a string. So I can say variable concat is equals to hello plus there. Then we terminate it with our semicolon. Then say console.log. Well, I don't have to type console.log to print out the hello there because I'm already on the console. So assuming I was doing this on an IDE, that's when I use console.log. So it says hello there, but you can see there's no space. So you can put space here. Then let's see, enter. Now say conc instead of typing console.log. Now it shows you that it is a string hello there. So now that's basically all about the Java string operators. So now we look at comparison operators. See you in the next video. Bye.